Something strange has been happening in the stock market lately. Much of the economy remains uncertain. Inflation is still a problem. Interest rates are high. People are worried about prices, jobs, and the future. And yet, AI stocks continue to rise. Companies linked to AI are attracting significant attention, massive investments, and relentless excitement. Some stocks are rising so fast that even experienced investors are starting to ask, what exactly is going on here? Everyone is baffled. Because usually, when the economy is unstable, markets become more cautious. But this time, AI seems to be breaking that pattern. And that's why suddenly many people have started paying attention. Not just investors. Ordinary people too. People who never had any interest in the stock market before are now hearing names like Nvidia, AI chips, automation, and machine learning almost every day. So, naturally, a big question arises. Why are AI stocks rising so rapidly, even amid persistent inflation and economic pressure? Is this the beginning of a long-term technological transformation? Or are we witnessing another financial bubble growing in real time? Let's discuss it. To understand why AI stocks are consistently rising, we first need to understand what investors are actually buying right now. Because people aren't just buying technology. They're buying the idea of the future. And throughout history, money has started moving very quickly when investors believe a technology can completely reshape the world. We saw this during the internet boom. We saw it with smartphones. We saw it with electric vehicles. And now, we're seeing it again with AI. The reason AI feels so powerful to investors is simple. People believe it can impact almost every sector. Not just tech companies, everything. Healthcare, finance, education, marketing, manufacturing, even daily office jobs. That's what makes this moment different. AI isn't being presented as a minor innovation. It's being presented as a system that can transform productivity, business models, and even the very structure of work. And when investors hear that kind of talk, they start thinking long-term. Let's talk about Nvidia for a moment. Because Nvidia has become one of the biggest symbols of this movement. The company produces chips that are heavily used in AI systems. And as the demand for AI exploded, so did the demand for these chips. Suddenly, companies everywhere wanted more AI processing power. Big tech companies started spending billions of dollars. And investors noticed this very quickly. This is where things get psychological. Markets don't just move based on current reality. They move based on expectations. And right now, expectations about AI are huge. People aren't just investing based on what AI can do today. They're investing based on what they believe AI could be in the next 5 or 10 years. And when expectations are that high, stock prices can move very aggressively, sometimes faster than reality itself. Now this creates two different groups of people. The first group sees AI as the next big technological revolution. They believe we are still in the very early stages. They think automation will increase, businesses will adapt, and AI will be deeply integrated into daily life. According to them, these companies are not overpriced. They are simply pioneering the next era of technology. But the second group is much more cautious. They look at the speed of these stock price increases and begin to ask uncomfortable questions. Are prices rising too fast? Are investors getting carried away again? Have we seen this kind of excitement before? And honestly, these questions are justified. Because financial markets have a long history of becoming overly emotional around new technologies. Excitement creates momentum. Momentum attracts attention. Attention attracts more money. And once this cycle begins, prices can rise far more than people initially expect. So, does this automatically mean that AI stocks are a bubble? Not necessarily. This is where things get more complicated. Because unlike some of the market frenzies of the past, AI is already having an impact in the real world. Companies are already using it, businesses are already investing in it, governments are already discussing it. So it's not entirely a figment of imagination, something real is happening. But at the same time, markets often get ahead of reality. Investors try to position themselves early, and when everyone wants to be early at the same time, prices can break away from short-term fundamentals. That's why you're seeing this strange situation right now. The general economy is still under pressure, but companies related to AI continue to attract great optimism because investors are focusing less on today's problems and more on what the future might look like. Now, what makes this situation even more interesting is this. AI stocks aren't rising on their own. They're rising at a time when many people are still experiencing financial discomfort. And this contrast is precisely why this topic is attracting so much attention. Because on the one hand, people are constantly hearing talk about inflation, high cost of living, and economic uncertainty. But on the other hand, they see some tech companies growing at an incredible pace. Naturally, people start asking the question, how can two things be true at the same time? The answer is that markets and daily life don't always move together. Sometimes markets are reacting to the future, while ordinary people are still struggling with the present. This disconnect can seem very strange. Now, let's talk for a moment about fear of missing out. Because this is currently playing a huge role in AI investments, when a new trend becomes strong enough, investors start worrying about one thing: being left behind. Nobody wants to look back years later and realize they missed the next big technological shift. This emotional pressure causes more money to flow into the market. People see prices rising. They see headlines everywhere. They hear success stories. Slowly, curiosity begins to turn into urgency. That's how momentum is built. Now, there's something important we need to understand. Many investors aren't buying AI stocks because they fully understand the technology. They're buying them because they believe AI is becoming inevitable. That's a huge difference. People may not fully understand how AI works, but they can already see its impact spreading. AI tools are popping up everywhere. Businesses are integrating automation. Entire sectors are changing their strategies. When investors see this level of adoption happening so quickly, they begin to assume that companies leading this movement will become extremely valuable. So, could expectations be too optimistic? Absolutely. It's always possible. And that's where comparisons with past tech bubbles begin to emerge. During the dot-com era, investors also believed the internet would change the world. And interestingly, they were right. The internet transformed everything. However, many companies became overvalued in the process. This is an important distinction. A technology can be truly revolutionary, but the markets surrounding it can still overheat. Both can happen simultaneously. And that's why some analysts today are more cautious about AI valuations. Not because they think AI is fake, but because markets sometimes move faster in the short term than reality can support. Now let's look at the bigger picture. AI is no longer treated as a niche technology story. It's becoming a global economic theme. Governments are paying attention. Big companies are restructuring around it. Investors see it as the next long-term growth engine. And when a narrative becomes this strong, money keeps flowing towards it. At least until something changes the story. That could be lower earnings, slower adoption, regulation, or broader economic pressure. But for now, the AI narrative remains incredibly strong. As long as investors continue to believe that AI will shape the economy of the future, these companies will likely continue to attract attention. So, does this mean that AI stocks will rise forever? Absolutely not. Markets never move in straight lines. There will be corrections. There will be volatility. There will be periods when the excitement cools down. That's normal. But the reason AI stocks continue to rise despite inflation is that investors believe AI can eventually become bigger than the short-term economic problems we're experiencing today. They're betting on the future right now, and when enough people start believing in that same future at the same time, markets move very quickly. So the real story here isn't just about stock prices. It's about belief. Belief in technology. Belief in transformation. Belief that AI can reshape the global economy for the next decade. And whether this belief is entirely justified is already changing financial markets in real time. If you want to continue understanding how technology, money, and global markets evolve together, follow the next videos. Because the next few years could completely change the current state of the financial world.